Unleash the full potential of your Peachtree data by crafting reports that speak directly to your business needs. First, navigate to the Reports and Forms menu at the top of your Peachtree window, then select Reports. Now, choose the report category that best fits your reporting goal. For example, let's select Financial Statements. Pick a base report, like the income statement, and then click the Customize button to open the report customization window. Here's where the magic happens. The Columns tab allows you to add, remove, and rearrange the columns that appear in your report. Simply drag and drop fields from the available list to tailor the information displayed. The Filters tab allows you to narrow down the data included in your report. Use filters to focus on specific date ranges, accounts, or even departments. Finally, the Sorting tab gives you control over the order in which the data is presented. Sort by account number, description, or any other relevant criteria to make your report easy to read and understand. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, save the report with a unique name. This way, you can quickly access your personalized report anytime you need it. Now, you're ready to dive deeper into your business performance with these tailored reports.